Good evening. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back again in another daily podcast where we talk about our daily routine. The thing I use to get rid of the hair is the razor. A razor is like a knife. It has a blade, and the blade is the thing that actually cuts the hair, that removes the hair from the skin. So you have a razor that you use to shave the whiskers from your face. A whisker is the name we give to the hair on your face, at least for a man. We call those whiskers. So you can have an electric razor like I used to have, or you can have a hand razor. So they are completely different, but their function is pretty much the same. A hand razor is one that is not electric, that you just take and you shave by moving the razor back and forth on your face. Before I shave, I have to lather up with shaving cream. We already know that word, lather up. We have talked a little bit about it before. It means to mix the soap with water and make bubbles so that it spreads across your skin. Shaving cream is the special kind of soap or special kind of liquid material that you put on your face to make it easier for you to shave so you don't cut yourself or hurt yourself when you are shaving. I rinse the razor after I am done shaving and I throw the disposable blades in the trash. The blades are the things that go on top of the razor that cut the whiskers or remove the whiskers. Disposable, the word disposable, comes from the verb to dispose. Dispose, which means to throw away, to put in the trash, to put in the garbage. That is disposable. If something is disposable, we use it once or twice and then you just throw it away. Well, these are disposable blades. Now it's 7 o'clock when I finish showering and shaving and I'm on to breakfast, meaning now I'm going to have my breakfast. In the next episode, we are going to talk what we have on our breakfast menu. Have a wonderful day.